Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera and getting the network ready. Plug it in, wait for the LED or voice prompt. This signals pairing mode. Make sure you use a 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID. Many cameras ignore 5 GHz. Open the camera vendor app on your phone and keep your Wi-Fi name and password at hand because you will enter them shortly. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth on the phone if the app asks. These help discovery and initial handshakes. Next, you follow the in-app wizard to pair the device. Select the camera model, pick your 4 GHz SSID, and type the password exactly, case matters. If auto-pairing fails, switch the camera to AP or QR code mode and let the app scan the on-screen code. This forces a direct link. Make sure your router grants DHCP leases or assign a static IP and reserve the camera's MAC on the router so its address won't change. Once paired, the app will stream a test video. Finalize by confirming the live stream and configuring recording. Choose resolution and frame rate that your network can handle. Make sure firmware is updated in the app, enable encryption or a device password, and reserve the camera IP on your router so port forwarding or NVR links remain stable. If you don't see video, reboot the camera and phone, confirm you use the 4 GHz SSID, and check that guest network isolation or AP client isolation is off. This single troubleshooting step solves many silent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.